Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can take long screenshot in Oppo smartphone. So firstly, you will need to use one of the three default methods to take a regular screenshot. Those are the 3-finger swipe, the simultaneous press of volume down and power keys, or tap in at the control panel shortcut. Once the screenshot is taken, just tap at the scroll option over here and highlight or frame the area that you would like to be included in your long scrolling or full page screenshot. Then hit the done button, and well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.